Today in this video we're gonna make Pirate's telescope. So let's get started. Select all by pressing A, X, delete. We need new mesh, Shift A. I'm gonna go with cylinder and open up this tab and type 16 vertices and press enter. And now let's press 3 to go to side view, and let's press R, rotate to x-axis 90 degree. Okay, now let's go to edit mode and press S to scale it down to the y-axis a bit. Okay, now that looks nice. Let's switch to face mode and select this side and I to insert and E to extrude inside. Now the next thing, just select this face and I to insert, E to extrude. Okay, a little bit more. Now I to insert again. Now press 3 to go to side view and E to extrude. Somewhere here. Okay, and S to scale it up a bit. Now next thing I wanna do is just give it a loop cut. 1, 2, 3 loop cuts. Okay, just select this loop cut and GG and move it right here, and select this one by pressing Alt GG and move it right here, and press Ctrl B to bevel it. Okay, something like this, and same thing, just select this and Ctrl B, something like this. And now holding Alt Shift select. Okay, just go to face mode and press Alt Shift, select these faces. And now let's press Alt E and extrude along the normals, something like this. Okay, that looks nice. And now select this face and E to extrude inside. Okay, now that looks nice. And now next thing, I want to select E to separate this object, and I want to select this, holding Alt and Shift, select these parts and P to separate them also. And okay, that looks nice. And now go to object mode, and I'm gonna select this part and go to edit mode. And the next thing I wanna select, okay, just switch to edge select mode and select this edge and this. Let's select them. Okay, we have selected, and just get a little bit closer and press Ctrl B to bevel it, something like this. Now press X and delete faces. Okay, now let's go to object mode, select this. We're gonna give solidify modifier, go here, generate and solidify modifier. Let's increase the thickness and even thickness. Okay, now the next thing, I want to give it a bevel modifier. Let's increase the segment and amount 3. Okay, let's increase the thickness a little bit. so we can get nice looking. And let's give them auto shade smooth. Okay, the same thing for this items. Let's give them also bevel modifier, 3 segments, and amount is 4. Okay, now that looks nice. Now let's select this, let's go to edit mode and face select mode, select the faces. Let's insert the faces here, and G to move it y-axis a bit, and again E to insert, I to insert, sorry, move it up a bit, so it gives this, let's auto shade smooth, this glass effect. Okay, now next thing, just select them all and Ctrl A to apply scale. Okay, now let's go to edit mode and select them all, press 3 and move it to the here, okay, in the center. Now let's go to object mode, select them all and rotate to x-axis to 90 degree. So when we unwrap and texture paint this, it will be easier on this side. Okay, later we can change it. Now next part we're gonna do is just UV unwrap them, and I will see you in the next video.